click on the newly created AI Chatbot. The Bot Settings section is where the chatbot's tasks and controls are installed. Bot Settings screen includes 3 tabs. Describing jobs and tasks for AI Chatbot in the Prompt tab. Theme is where you customize and change the chat's interface design. Adjust creativity level and other options to control the response quality of the AI Chatbot at the Advanced tab. In the Prompt tab, give the input following this form. Type the bot position you want the AI Chatbot to perform. For example, sales agent. Type the workplace or organization the bot represents. Choose the language you want to respond to: English, Vietnamese, or auto-detect. At job description, you will input the prompt to give the direction for the AI Chatbot to follow the goal of business. Or you can choose in the AI prompt library here.